Drones attacked an oil depot in the village of Yurovka in Russian Krasnodar region, reports Russian telegram channels. Locals say the attack on the temp oil depot started around 2 a.m. According to the operational headquarters of Krasnodar region, about 6 drones were suppressed, but several fell on the territory of oil depot. As a result, a fire broke out. Several tanks were damaged. The moment one of the drones exploded was caught on video.
Горит. 7-й прилет. Да. Это 7-й дрон сейчас прилетел.
Полетел дрон. Блять.
Also, a major fire broke out in the sea trading port of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky in Russia. Approximately 5,000 square meters are on fire. Smoking is and remains dangerous.
Какой ужас вообще.
Ukrainian attacks on Russian oil refineries will not have the effect on global energy markets that U.S. officials fear, report Foreign Affairs. These strikes reduce Russia's ability to turn its oil into usable products and do not affect the volume of oil it can extract or export. With less domestic refining capacity, Russia will be forced to export more of its crude oil, not less, pushing global prices down rather than up. The surge in refined oil product prices, which has begun in Russia, is attributed to very slow and costly repairs. Western sanctions are hindering Russian firms' access to essential components, further delaying the repair process. Ukrainian drone attacks achieving the objectives of degrading Russia's financial and logistical ability to wage war while limiting broader damage to the global economy and doing what the sanctions regime has not. Intrigue. Russian General Surovikin, who was thrown into a dungeon last year and then banished to Africa by Putin for his complicity in Prigozhin's rebellion, was reported to be on his way back to Russia. But then suddenly sources close to him refuted his claimed return. Osechkin's source in Russia's Federal Protective Service says that special measures are planned for Defense Ministry HQ by the FSO's Special Purposes Directorate and FSB's Internal Security Directorate. The building is on lockdown for anticipated removal of Shoigu, Salikov, and/or Gerasimov. Since Putin apparently found out that Prigozhin remained loyal to him during the rebellion and only wanted to replace the ministry leadership which betrayed him, Shoigu, Gerasimov. Could Surovikin now replace Gerasimov? Dimitri Evdokimov, a former convict with a history of 2 murders, resurfaced in Russian Petrozavodsk after being released early due to a pardon following his participation in the special military operation. Despite his criminal past, which includes killing both his girlfriend and his brother, he returned to the same neighborhood where he committed these crimes. Recently, he was spotted on the canopy of an apartment building brandishing a cleaver under the influence of drugs, causing fear among residents. Just wonderful. This is what it means the Russian world has arrived. In Bakhmut, which has been liberated for a year by an army of prisoners led by an old bald ghoul, there is a complete lack of water and electricity. A beautiful city that was famous for its wines is now forced to put up with the presence of orcs, who, for lack of water, wash away their crap with nothing other than locally produced sparkling wine. These creatures will spoil everything they touch.
В Бахмуте зовут Артемовский завод шампанских вин. Под землей находится минус 75 метров. Вот сортир. Здесь воды нету. И смывают вином шампанское. Вот открываю кран. из цистерны идет. Вот идет шампанское. Вот шампанским смываем говно. Запах не передашь на камеру, но это шампанское, можете поверить. Вот сейчас попробовал шампанское. В общем, что только в жизни не бывает. Приходится вот так вот. Интересно, короче говоря. Он пенится, но газированный. Ну ладно.
Бахмут под землей. Емкость с вином, с шампанским. Пресс стоит.
Куда ходит, интересно.
Да. Дай посмотрю.
10 тонн.
10 тонн.
Вот, Венера запечатанная.
Нет, это не рабочий, это просто не проверишь же в Бахмуте, электричества нет.
Вот это все вино.
Russians openly dancing and celebrating with the Russian and Soviet flags in Frankfurt, Germany. No one knows why they live in Germany and not closer to their Putin. The Ukrainian President Zelensky gave a very powerful speech on May 8th from a former Russian torture chamber. They break into their house. They come to kill, burn, execute. They spare no one. No old people, no women, and no children. They are beasts. These are the memories of those who survived the Nazi occupation. And these are the memories of those who survived the Russian occupation.
Davon zeugt dieser Keller im Dorf Jahidne in Tschernihiv. Die Raschisten trieben hier alle Dorfbewohner zusammen und hielten fast einen Monat lang. Alle 350 Personen, alle Kinder dieses Dorfes. 80 Mädchen und Jungen.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.